Well, hello. It's me, Carl. How are you? It's a nice day out. Take a peek out there. Earlier today I seen a chestnut warbler. It was a beauty. He was sticking his beak in the tree going peck, 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 peck. And then I saw it pull out a grub. Birds are amazing. I love to peek. Got my binocs, you know. Holy hell. I saw some nippers. My neighbor, Miss Johnson. Ooh, she's got some saggers. She's 97 years old, you know. I'm gonna take another peek. Hold on. She put on her blouse, wouldn't you know it? Put a little tingle in my jingle. She's hanging out with Jack. Jackie D. It's my pal. Say hello, Jackie D. Hello. He's an ugly cuss. Tried to make him a handsome boy, but I couldn't. I'm not very artistic. He's almost empty, too. After I finish him off, I'm gonna go bash his head in. Bottoms up. Ooh, it's a stinger. Feel it in my chest cavity. I love the company, you know. Don't have many people to talk to. Take another peek for some birds. I see some sparrows. Some starlings. It's a feline. Oh, she's a sweet one. Look at this. I think she loves me. Now that's a pretty bird. That's an eastern towhee. Red-breasted nuthatch. It's my father's favorite bird. Because he died. He's never there for me, you know. Need a haircut. Say bye, Jackie. His juices are getting low. Jackie D. Say some words, you dummy. What's the matter with you? You're being silly. He's shy. That's what. I love him. Alright, well thanks for coming. Check on me soon. Goodbye.